It will be your place for the following months of your au pair stay, and making it feel like your home, it's really important for your well-being in general. Hi guys, it's Sarah from AuPairWorld. Some days ago, we asked you on Instagram about tips to decorate your au pair room. You replied with so many wonderful ideas that we want to share with all of you what you already recommended other au pairs. First, we want to tell you, don't underestimate decorating your au pair room. It will be your place for the following months of your au pair stay, and making it feel like your home, it's really important for your well-being in general. Secondly, you have to ask your host family what you are allowed to do. I guess they don't want you to make a lot of holes on the walls because you will be leaving after 6 months. Maybe you can ask them to put a cork or a magnet wall for you so that you can pin a lot of things in them. Your very first tip was to decorate your room with your style. Maybe you want to try a new style, maybe you want to keep your own style. Decide which color palette you want to use and then add lights, cushions, posters, candles. This way you will be like, your room will be like your cozy place to be. Your second tip was to decorate it with something from your hometown. We're really sure that your friends will be giving you some presents, maybe pictures, maybe a flag. This will help you decorate your room and also avoid a little bit of homesickness. By the way, if you feel a little bit homesickness, don't miss our video here. The third tip was to decorate it with life. Plants, dry flowers, choose the one that fits you better or that you like most and just buy them. The fourth tip was to add keepsakes from your au pair stay. A bus ticket from your last weekend trip, a concert ticket, pictures from your new friends. We're really sure you can add a lot of these to your cork or magnetic wall and just have like a little reminder of how wonderful your au pair stay is at the moment. And finally, and not less important, add some pics or drawings from your host children. I'm really sure they will add you in your family drawing, like mom, dad, host children, and au pair, and you will feel like really involved in the family if you hang that on your au pair room as well. And that would be it. Share your au pair decoration rooms down below with me, like this video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel not to miss any more videos. Bye guys!